This video on the FARGO HDP6600 card printer demonstrates how to replace the power supply. Switch off the printer and remove the power cable. Open the front panel and press the button to open the top cover. Use a Torx T10 screwdriver to remove the two screws securing the back of the top cover. Remove the two screws securing the back panel. Remove the corner panel. Open the back panel. Remove the screw just below the top cover. Remove the top cover by sliding it backwards. Remove the two screws adjacent to the card path which secure the side panel. Replace the top cover to avoid damaging the connecting wires. Tilt the printer onto its side and release the bottom tabs securing the side panel. Turn the printer upright to remove the side panel. Disconnect the two fan cables. Remove the side panel. Open the front panel and pull out the ribbon drawer. Disconnect the power supply fan cable. Remove the two screws securing the power supply case. Slide the power supply case towards the front of the printer and lift it out. Remove the power connector from the main board. Disconnect the card feed motor power connector. Disconnect the power supply's grounding cable strap. The power supply unit can now be removed. To see more technical videos, please visit our HID YouTube channel.